morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today, I am going to take you guys along with me, and we are going to do a little bathroom sprucing up. So, the holidays are over with, and it's time to just refresh, revamp, and do some Mardi Gras, do some Valentine's Day decorations. So, taking all of the Christmas decor down, and I have some Valentine's Day things that I am going to, excuse me, that I'm going to decorate this bathroom with. So I'm going to clean everything up, and then the toilet is clean. I bought these from Ross. These cute towels, and the big one just has the hearts all over them. And this one was $7.99. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna take the tags off and put them on the towel rack in the back. That, and I have this set, and this set was $7.99 also. If you guys save these ribbons, type below in the chat and let me know if you save these. I do. You never know when you would need them for something. So I'm gonna take this one and fold it like that. Oh. Fold it where you can actually see the word love. And just like that. Okay, guys, so have this towel here. I'm going to take this and remove this and get another towel because I do not clean so I took that towel and I removed it because I do not so this is a little toilet tissue container. I found this at the thrift store a couple of years ago. And I just DIY'd it. It was orange, as you guys can see, and I just painted silver and blended it out with the bling. And as you guys can see, it matches that I also blinged out. And DIY'd it. I also used my so final touch of the bathroom is this. How cute is this set? Yes, y'all. So I got this from Burlington. It's Nanette Lepore. It's a 2-piece rug set, and look how fluffy and so cute. All right, so let's undo these. And this is going to go in front of the toilet. And then the big one is going to go underneath the sink area. All right, guys, this is how the bathroom looks now with the decor added, nice and simple. Oh, I need to add my little flowers in that vase. Nice and simple. So what I do with these guys is instead of buying paper towels and just throwing your money down the drain, I purchase the decorative towels or just towels for the season. Usually what I use in here is pretty much my colors, red, silver, and white, or gray and white. And as you can see, they go with all occasions. So this is how the bathroom looks. Those are some candlesticks that I got from Goodwill, and I DIY'd them also. So you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. It is free 99 to subscribe. Would love to have you as a member of the channel over here, guys. And until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace. Okay, guys, so here is a little trick that I learned from my husband that he got from the news. And so you take your towel and you just spread it out like that. And you take one end and you bring it almost to the corner like that. And then you take this end and you fold it over like that. And then you take your towel and you put it like that, and you just wrap. And you keep wrapping until you get to the end, and then you tuck it in. Just like that, and you have a neat, cute towel, a cute way to keep your towels from unfolding, and it looks nice and neat. Thanks for watching.